Oster reverse crush counterforms blender with 6-cup glass jar, 7-speed settings and brushed stainless steel black finish. 1000 power watt, 600 blending watts. Cord length 16 inches. Pre-programmed smart settings technology takes the guesswork out of blending with easy, one-touch controls for expert results. Dual direction blade technology automatically moves stainless steel 6-point blade in reverse to free jar of jam-ups. Crush Pro 6 blade uses stainless steel 6-point design to pulverize and chop with precision. Oster 10-year DURALAST all-metal drive limited warranty for lasting durability. 7 speeds from low to high pulse. 6-cup Boroclass Glass Jars dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. 2-ounce filler cap has built-in markings to measure and pour ingredients while blending. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.